Title 2. Crime against the fundamental laws of the state. Number 1. What do we refer to when we say fundamental laws of the state? Fundamental or basic laws of the state refer to the Constitution, where all laws of the country emanate and must conform to. Ang pangunahin o batayang batas ng bansa ay nagtutukoy sa konstitusyon na kung saan ang mga batas ng bansa ay magmula at dapat sumunod nito. Number 2. What are the crimes against the fundamental laws of the state? They are 1. Arbitrary detention, Article 124. 2. Delay in the delivery of detained person to the proper judicial authorities, Article 125. Number 3. Delaying release, Article 126. Number 4. Expulsion, Article 127. Number 5. Violation of domicile, Article 128. Number 6. Search warrants maliciously obtained and abused in the service of those legally obtained, Article 129. Number 7. Searching domicile without witnesses, Article 130. Number 8. Prohibition, interruption, and dissolution of peaceful meetings, Article 131. Number 9. Interruption of religious worship, Article 132. Number 10. Offending the religious feelings, Article 133. Number 3. Why are they called crimes against the fundamental laws of the state? They are called crimes against the fundamental laws of the state because they violate certain provisions of the Bill of Rights, Article 111 of the 1987 Constitution. Ang mga krimen na ito ay tinatawag na crimes against the fundamental laws of the state dahil sa nilabag nito ang ilang provision ng Bill of Rights, Article 3 of the 1987 Constitution. Number 4. What are the classes of arbitrary detention? Classes of arbitrary detention. Number 1. Arbitrary detention by detaining a person without legal ground, Article 124. Number 2. Delay in the delivery of detained persons to the proper judicial authorities, 125. Article 125. Number 3. Delaying release, Article 126. Article 124. Arbitrary detention. Any public officer or employee who, without legal grounds, detains a person shall offer. Number 1. The penalty of arresto mayor in its maximum period to prison correctional in its minimum period of if the detention has not exceeded 3 days. Number 2. The penalty of prison correctional in its medium and maximum periods if the detention has continued more than 3 but not more than 15 days. Number 3. The penalty of prison mayor if the detention has continued for more than 15 days but not more than 6 months. And number 4. That of reclusion temporal if the detention shall have exceeded 6 months. Number 5. What are the elements of arbitrary detention by detaining a person without legal ground, Article 124. Elements of arbitrary detention by detaining a person without legal ground, Article 124. Number 1. That the offender is a public officer or employee. Na ang may sala ay isang kawani ng gobyerno. Number 2. That he detains a person. Na ikinulong niya ang isang tao. Number 3. That the detention is without legal grounds. Na ang pagkulong ay walang legal na basehan. Number 6. Who are the public officer or employee referred to in arbitrary detention by detaining a person without legal ground, Article 124. The public officer liable for arbitrary detention must be vested with authority to detain or order the detention of person accused of crime, but when they detain a person, they have no legal grounds. Therefore, ang mga kawani ng gobernong mananagot sa arbitrary detention ay kailangang pinagkalooban ng kapangyarihang magkulong o magutos ng pagkulong ng mga taong inaakusa ang isang krimen, pero noong ikinulong nila ang isang tao, wala silang legal na basihan nito. Such public officer are the policemen and other agents of the law, the judges or mayors, a barangay captains, and a municipal councilor are public affairs officers. Ang gayong mga kawani ng gobyerno ay mga pulis and iba ahente ng batas, mga husgado o mga alkalde, ang kapitan ng barangay at ang konsehal ng munisipyo ay mga kawani ng gobyerno. If the detention is perpetrated by other public officer, the crime committed may be illegal detention because they are acting in the private capacity. Kung ang pagkulong ay ginawa ng ibang kawani ng gobyerno, ang krimen na nagawa ay illegal detention kasi ang mga ito ay kumilos ayon sa kanilang pribado kakayahan. If the offender is a private individual, the act of detaining another is illegal arbitrary detention by detaining a person without legal grounds, Article 104. Kung ang may sala ay isang pribadong tao, ang ginawang pagkulong ng ibang tao ay illegal arbitrary detention by detaining a person without legal ground, Article 124.